Hi, welcome back. So in this video, I am going to be installing SourceTree, setting up an account so that we can start using it in the next few videos. So the first thing you want to do is go over to sourcetreeapp.com, or you can just go into your search engine and search SourceTree. Then once you're that, you are going to download it. Now I have Windows, but you can go ahead and download it for whichever version you want. You cannot use this on Linux, however, I'll just make that clear. So you can either use it on OS X or Windows. So I'm going to download it for Windows. And we're not going to use Bitbucket for now since we're only using SourceTree. So you're just going to download that and it's going to set it up for you. So you're just going to open that up. Wait for it to load. And once it's there, we're going to set up our account because you do need an account to use this. And we're just going to work with it so that everything is ready for us to start creating some brand new repositories. So let's just wait for that to load now. All right, there we go. It's extracting. There we go. So we're here. So it says here, SourceTree is a Git client provided completely free by Atlassian, who, by the way, made Gitbucket. So you're just going to agree to everything, send data, whatever you want. Click next. So you're going to either register your account, you can either use your Bitbucket server or your Atlassian account. Now, you're just going to go ahead and open up and just create an account. It's free and everything. You don't really need to. You can even use Google if you want, which is what I'm going to do. But you can use your email, do whatever you want. I'm going to log in with Google. So there you go. Now that I've registered my account, now you can either download Mercurial, which we're not going to do, or here you would download Git if you don't have it. But assuming that you took this course, you probably already have Git. So we're just going to untick Mercurial since we don't need it, or skip it, doesn't really matter. And there we go. So now it says here, load SSH key. Do you have an SSH key that you'd like to load now? We don't really have one, so we're just going to click no. And there we go. SourceTree is now installed. Very simple. It doesn't take that long. I'm just going to make it full screen there. We can do all sorts of things with this, but in the next video, I'm actually going to be creating a repository that we can now start using. All right, let's move on.